In this video, I'm going to show you how you can highlight text on your videos on InShot video editor. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So if you want to highlight your text first, we shall go ahead and add our text before we can highlight it. To add text on your video, first go ahead and tap on this text here. Go ahead again and tap on this text. And here now you can go ahead and add your text as you wish. So let me first add dance, and I like to go ahead and change this to any style that you so wish. For instance, I want it to be in this style, and then I'll go ahead and make it much bolder. Right, here it is. And then go ahead and tap on this wheel to bring out the highlights. So if I tap on this wheel, you can see down here we have quite a number of highlight styles that you can choose from. So go ahead and choose from any of them. Look at that. So choose your favorite highlight that you so wish. For my case, I'll choose this yellow. And once you're done, now go ahead and tap on this tick to apply the changes. And by doing so, your highlight will be applied on your video. So that's how you add text highlight on your InShot videos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.